Hook Google search as you know it is dying. Right now, in June 2026, over 40% of search queries are getting answered by AI tools instead of traditional Google. Google just rolled out their May 2026 core update specifically to fight AI-generated spam, and it's not working. The search giant that dominated the internet for 20 years is losing. Here are the 5 AI tools that are killing Google search, and number 3 will shock you. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button in the corner. It's free, takes 1 second, and you'll never miss a video. Do it now. Intro, here's a polarizing question for you. When was the last time you searched Google and actually found what you wanted on the first page? No sponsored ads, no SEO-optimized blog spam, no Reddit threads from 3 years ago. If you're like most people, it's been a while. Google's search results have become a wasteland of affiliate links and AI-generated garbage. Meanwhile, a new generation of AI-powered search tools has quietly taken over. And most people don't even know these exist yet. Perplexity, the researcher. The first tool killing Google is Perplexity. If you haven't used it yet, imagine asking Google a complex question and instead of getting 10 blue links, you get a direct answer with real citations to actual sources. That's Perplexity. It searches the web in real time, reads multiple pages, synthesizes the information, and gives you a cited answer in seconds. No clicking through 5 different websites. No filtering out ads. It just works. Perplexity now handles over 100 million queries per month. That's 100 million searches that would have gone to Google. And here's the thing Google won't tell you, Perplexity is more accurate for research questions because it actually reads the sources instead of just ranking them by backlinks. The conversationalist number 2 is ChatGPT. And I know what you're thinking, everyone knows about ChatGPT. But here's what most people miss, ChatGPT with browsing is now better than Google for most everyday searches. When you ask Google what's the best laptop for video editing under $1,500, you get 12 tabs of reviews, each one trying to sell you something through an affiliate link. When you ask ChatGPT, it reads all those reviews, compares them, and tells you the answer directly. OpenAI reported recently that ChatGPT now handles over 500 million search-style queries every week. That's 500 million searches that Google never sees. And the number is doubling every 3 months. But here's the tool that nobody's talking about. Claude, the analyst number 3 is Claude by Anthropic. And this is the one that shocked me. Claude doesn't market itself as a search engine at all. It's positioned as an AI assistant. But here's what's happening in the real world. Developers, researchers, and knowledge workers are using Claude instead of Google for technical questions. The reason? Claude's context window can hold entire books. You can drop in a 50-page research paper and ask Claude to find the specific paragraph about a niche topic. Google can't do that. Claude can read 200,000 words in one shot and answer questions from inside the document. For anyone doing real research, this is a Google killer. The most insane part? Claude's newest model scores higher on graduate-level reasoning tests than most humans. People aren't even trying Google anymore for anything that requires thinking through a problem. U.com, the aggregator number 4 is U.com. This one flies completely under the radar, but it's quietly becoming the power user's choice. U.com aggregates results from multiple AI models, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and others, all in one interface. It searches the web, runs code, generates images, and gives you comparison answers from different AIs side by side. Think about what that means. You're not getting one AI's opinion. You're getting multiple perspectives on the same question, with sources. Google gives you one search results page built by one algorithm. U.com gives you a panel of AI experts. And it's completely free. ArcSearch, the mobile killer number 5 is ArcSearch by the browser company. This is the one that's going to hurt Google the most, and they know it. ArcSearch is a mobile browser that doesn't show you search results at all. You type in what you want to know and it browses the web for you, reads the relevant pages, and builds a custom web page with the answer. For mobile users, which is most of the internet now, this completely bypasses Google. You never see a search results page. You never click an ad. Google's entire business model relies on you seeing search ads, and ArcSearch makes that impossible. Apple and Google are both reportedly terrified of this approach. OUTRO/CTA Google isn't going to disappear tomorrow. They still have 90% market share by raw numbers. But the trend is unmistakable. AI search tools are growing 10 times faster than traditional search ever did. Google's May 2026 core update was a desperation move, and it shows. If you're still typing everything into google.com, you're using the internet like it's 2019. These 5 tools are faster, smarter, and they don't serve you ads disguised as results. Hit that subscribe button right now, it's in the corner, it's free, and tomorrow I'm covering 5 AI skills that'll be worth 6 figures by the end of this year. You do not want to miss that. Here's my question for you in the comments. Which of these 5 tools are you actually going to try today? Drop it below. I want to see Perplexity versus ChatGPT in the comments. YouTube's about to recommend another video, watch one more before you go. See you tomorrow.